Gotta do this one. Gotta do this one. Whoop, wrong way. All right, that's anthem shit. I was supposed to stay on this side over here. I'm gonna go cut right over here. Yeah, we're not supposed to go in there yet. Coming through, on your left. All right, we're not going the easy way down. Ah, fuck. All right. So this is the one you got to clear out like 22 feet. Oh yeah. It's like what, 12 foot high or something into the deep transition there. They say you go up here to the, see where the pillar is up there? They go up there and they just coast in, no brakes. That's usually enough and pop off the end a little bit. And that's enough to clear them. I would follow somebody in before I do it.
I'm waiting for somebody to